Welcome to Smartphone Tips 2025. In this video, we'll explore some pro tips to elevate your smartphone experience into the future. Let's kick things off with maximizing your battery life. Explore settings that can significantly extend your phone's usage. Next, let's talk about customizing your home screen. Discover how to use widgets and layouts that enhance efficiency. AI isn't just for the tech-savvy anymore. Let's see how to utilize AI features to make your phone smarter. Privacy matters. We'll share top pro tips for secure browsing and app usage you should not miss. Did you know your favorite apps have hidden features? Let's unlock their full potential together. Is your storage running low? We'll explore smart solutions to manage your files and photos effectively. Multitasking made easy. Learn how to utilize split screen and picture-in-picture features for productivity. Voice assistants are evolving. Let's make the most out of voice commands with these tips. Thanks for watching. With these pro user tricks, you'll stay ahead in the smartphone game in 2025.